What if the greatest source of your happiness was never your family at all? Stay with me, because what I am about to share will change the way you see the rest of your life. For years, you believed that your children would be there. You believed that your grandchildren would call. You believed that the family you built with your own hands would surround you with love and laughter in your golden years. But somewhere along the way, something shifted. The phone calls became shorter. The visits became rarer. The house that once echoed with noise now sits in silence. And you started asking yourself a question that breaks your heart. Did I do something wrong? Let me tell you something important right now. You did nothing wrong. This is simply the nature of life. Your children grew up. They built their own worlds. They have their own worries and responsibilities. But here is the secret nobody tells you. Your happiness was never meant to depend entirely on them. There are 5 powerful things that will give you more joy, more health, and more peace than waiting by the phone ever could. And once you discover them, your life will transform in ways you never imagined. The first thing you must rely on is your own body. Yes, your body. The same body you think has grown weak and tired. The same body you believe has failed you. But here is the truth. Your body is still your greatest friend. It has carried you through decades of struggle and survival. It has fought battles you have already forgotten. And even now, it is ready to serve you if you simply give it a chance. When you wake up in the morning, do not lie in bed thinking about who has forgotten you. Instead, sit up slowly. Place your feet on the ground. Feel the floor beneath you. Now stand up. Raise your arms gently above your head. Stretch your fingers toward the ceiling as if you are reaching for something beautiful. Breathe in deeply. Hold it for a moment. Then breathe out slowly. This simple act of moving your body sends a powerful message to your mind. It says, I am still here. I am still alive. I still have purpose. Every morning you move is a morning you win. You do not need a gym. You do not need expensive equipment. You only need 5 minutes and the decision to honor the body that has honored you for so many years. Gentle stretches. Slow walks around your room, lifting your knees while sitting in a chair. These small movements create something magical inside you. They release chemicals in your brain that make you feel happy. They reduce the pain in your joints. They give you energy you forgot you had. And slowly you will notice something incredible. You will stop waiting for others to make you feel alive, because you will feel alive all on your own. The second thing you must rely on is nature. When was the last time you stepped outside and just stood still? When was the last time you felt the morning sun on your face? When was the last time you listened to birds singing as if they were singing only for you? Nature is the oldest healer in the world. It does not judge you. It does not disappoint you. It does not cancel plans or forget to call. It simply gives. The sunlight gives your bones strength. The fresh air fills your lungs with life. The gentle breeze reminds you that the world is still beautiful even when your heart feels heavy. Make a promise to yourself today. Every single day you will step outside for at least 10 minutes. You do not need to walk far. You do not need to climb mountains. Just stand on your balcony. Sit in your garden. Walk slowly to the end of your street and back. As you walk, pay attention to everything around you. Notice the colors of the leaves. Listen to the sound of life happening all around you. Feel the ground supporting every step you take. This is not just a walk. This is a conversation between you and the world. And in that conversation, you will find a peace that no family gathering could ever give you. Nature does not ask anything from you. It only offers healing. And the more time you spend with it, the more it will heal the lonely places in your heart. The third thing you must rely on is routine. Now, I know this sounds simple, maybe even boring, but listen carefully because this is where most people lose their happiness without even realizing it. When you had a job, you had a reason to wake up. When your children were young, you had a schedule filled with purpose. Every day had structure. Every hour had meaning. But now the days blend together. Monday feels like Friday. Morning feels like night. And without structure, your mind begins to wander into dark places. This is why routine is so powerful. Create a schedule for yourself. Wake up at the same time every day. Have your tea or coffee at the same hour. Do your gentle exercises at the same moment each morning. When your body knows what to expect, it feels safe. When your mind has a pattern to follow, it stops worrying so much. Include movement in your routine. Perhaps in the morning you stretch for 5 minutes. In the afternoon, you take a short walk. In the evening, you sit quietly and breathe deeply. These small rituals become the anchors of your day. They give you something to look forward to. They give you something that is entirely yours. No one can take your routine away from you. No one can cancel it or postpone it. It belongs to you and you alone. And within that routine, you will discover a kind of freedom you have not felt in years. The fourth thing you must rely on is faith. I am not here to tell you what to believe. That is your personal journey. But I will tell you this, there is something larger than all of us. Call it God. Call it the universe. Call it the energy of life itself. When you connect with that something, everything changes. In your quiet moments, close your eyes. Place your hands on your heart. Feel it beating. That rhythm is not an accident. You are here for a reason. Speak to whatever higher power you believe in. Share your worries. Express your gratitude. Ask for strength. And then sit in silence. Listen. The answers do not always come in words. Sometimes they come as feelings. A sudden calmness. A gentle knowing that everything will be okay. Faith gives you something that nothing else can. It gives you hope when the world feels hopeless. It gives you comfort when the nights feel endless. And when you combine faith with movement, something extraordinary happens. As you do your morning stretches, whisper a prayer. As you walk in the garden, send gratitude into the sky. As you breathe deeply, imagine peace entering your body and worry leaving with every exhale. Your exercises become a form of worship. Your movement becomes meditation. And your body becomes a temple of peace. This is the power of faith. It transforms ordinary moments into sacred ones. The fifth thing you must rely on is yourself. This is the hardest one to accept. For so many years you put everyone else first. You sacrificed your dreams for your family. You gave your energy to people who needed you. And now you must learn something new. You must learn to put yourself first. This is not selfish. This is survival. Speak kindly to yourself. When you look in the mirror, do not see the wrinkles. See the wisdom. See the years of love you have given. See the strength that still lives in your eyes. Celebrate your small victories. If you walked for 5 minutes today, that is a victory. If you stretched your body this morning, that is a victory. If you took a deep breath and chose peace over sadness, that is the greatest victory of all. Do things that make you happy. Read the books you never had time for. Listen to music that moves your soul. Watch the sun rise, and let it remind you that every day is a new beginning. You do not need permission to enjoy your life. You do not need validation from anyone else. The only approval you need is your own. And here is the beautiful truth. When you rely on yourself, you become a source of light. Your energy changes. Your face softens. Your presence becomes peaceful. And often something magical happens. The family that seemed distant begins to draw closer. Because people are attracted to those who carry peace within them. But by then, you will have discovered something precious. You no longer need them to complete you. You are already complete. So let me leave you with this. Your children love you in their own way. Your family carries you in their hearts even when they do not show it. But your happiness cannot be placed in the hands of others. It must be planted within you. Move your body gently every single day. Step into nature and let it heal you. Build a routine that gives your days meaning. Connect with your faith and let it carry you through difficult moments. And above all, treat yourself with the love and kindness you have always given to others. You have walked a long road to reach this moment. You have survived challenges that would have broken others. Now it is time to rest in the peace you have earned. Take a deep breath right now. Let your shoulders drop. Let your face relax. You are still here. You are still breathing. You are still capable of joy. And that is a beautiful thing. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, remember these 5 gifts you carry within you. Let them guide you. Let them protect you. Let them fill your heart with the happiness you deserve. You are stronger than you know. You are loved more than you realize. And your best days are not behind you. They are waiting for you, one gentle step at a time.